Back to my channel. Today's video is gonna be just tips and tricks and knickknacks, as literally the title. So I'm just gonna talk about tips on skincare, hair care, and other things in life that you should do and want to do. If you want to do that, you don't have to do it. I mean, you don't have to. So, yeah, let's get into this video. What is up with... The first thing I want to talk about is olive oil. Olive oil is, I just started using it for skin and hair. It's for skin and hair, so this is a double tip on skin and hair. Okay, so olive oil is really great. I've been using it for my hair and recently for my hair and for my skin. So what you do is, if you want to try it, you can use it for shaving. Olive oil really helps with shaving your legs and stuff like that, because it hydrates your skin, and it just makes your skin really smooth. And I found out that when I started using it for a little bit of like a week or so, even your hair stops growing back as fast. So if you want to try it, I normally just keep it like in a little bottle like this, and I use it. And it is a little bit messy, it is a little oily, obviously, but yeah, you should use it. And recently I've been using it for my hair. You take like just a tiny bit, I've learned just a tiny bit, and you just rub it in your scalp upside down, and it just helps with hair growth, and just make your hair shiny and like nice and healthy. So if you want to try that, you should try that. Number 2 is eyebrows. This is probably just a personal thing, but if you have like really thick eyebrows or even thin eyebrows, just don't pluck them. Don't. Just let them go naturally, and you'll be thankful in the years to come. You'll be like, oh my gosh, thanks younger self for not plucking my eyebrows. I only just do the middle, that's it, and I just leave them to grow like that. And that's just a tip that I think is great. So yeah, if you want to try that, do that. Okay, tip number 3 is, if you want your hair has it's like oily, and it's kind of like there's just and you're like really, you can clarify your hair, which is, I'll show you. So you just take a spoon or 2 of baking powder. I use just a little container like this big, or if you have a bigger one, that's fine too. And basically what you do is you put the baking powder, baking soda in the container. Put some hot water all the way kind of to the top. Leave a little room, and you're gonna shake that, and you're gonna just rinse it, pour it over your head, massage it in, rinse it out. And it's just gonna get rid of that product buildup, and it's just gonna make your hair feel nice. And you should. I just did it for the first time the other day, so I'm gonna do it every month or so, or every 2 weeks or so. So if you want to do that, you can try that. That's a hair tip. Am I keeping track of it? Am I keeping track of these? Okay, so next tip is deep conditioning. This is also something that I just tried out, and it makes your hair feel really nice. So what you do is you just leave the conditioner, any conditioner that doesn't have sulfates or silicones that you're using, or if you have a specific deep conditioner, or if you want to make a deep conditioner, you can also do that. And you just leave it in for like 15 to 30 minutes, and you focus more. I learned you focus more on your tips. Before, the first time I did it, I focused more on my roots, which you don't really. It's more for your tips, and you just leave it in. You can put on your roots, obviously, but focus on your tips, and you leave it in, and you wash it out, and you just carry on with your normal washing day routine, and it just makes your hair soft, and it just helps with damaged hair. So if you have damaged hair, you should try that. It's not that hard. It's just, yeah, try it. The next tip is, so this next step is we're gonna get a little deep. I'm gonna get a little deep with you. Okay, so I know, like, you look at, you like, so in especially in the social media days, we look at other people's hair and like their hair's curly and they're like, oh, I want my hair to be like that, and you think these thoughts like, I wish my hair was like that, I wish this, I wish my skin was like that, and yeah, so you should just don't do that. Look, sometimes I'm guilty of it too, but don't. Like, my hair is, as you can see, it's not totally curly up here. It's straight up here, a little bit wavy over here. There's some curls in there. It's just, it's its own type of hair. Yeah. We all have different types of hair, and we shouldn't be comparing it ourselves to other people, because you don't know what they went through to have that nice hair, and they don't know what you went through to have that nice hair, and it's just, you shouldn't compare yourself to other people. And I know that's hard, especially with all this social media and like Instagram, and you're scrolling and you see other people, but you don't really know it's just a picture. You don't know the whole story behind the picture, how it was taken, and how much time they spent trying to make their hair nice in that picture that they took. So just don't compare yourself to other people's journeys. You're on your own journey, and this isn't just for hair or skin, or this is like just in life. You're on your own journey, and maybe you're not where you want to be right now, but you're where you have to be to get to where you want to be. So just don't give up, and yeah. Okay, this next tip is like body skin is cream. Put cream on at least every second day. Cream is like, it helps a lot. I used to be the person that didn't like putting on cream. I was like, oh my gosh, cream, I don't want to put on cream. And I used to do it only once a week. But seriously, cream is really good for your skin, and it just makes your skin soft and hydrated, and it just makes your skin feel nice. So if you don't put cream on, it's good for you. I totally know French, mais oui, je parle un peu de le français. So this is also a deep tip, is do the things that you're afraid to do. Like, just maybe not all at once, but just take certain small steps to get to where you want, to get to the point where you're not afraid of the thing anymore. Like, don't run away from it, just expose yourself slowly to the thing you're afraid of, and then it will get better. So yeah, don't underestimate yourself. Like, you're pretty strong, you can do it. So like, believe in yourself. This is my last tip for this video. I'll be making another video to prolong tips, things I learned on the way, but for now, this is it, and that is self-love. Don't compare your beauty to other people's, and your body type, and your hair type, and your face type, okay? And I said this in the other tip, but this is self-love specifically. And I know this is hard because we all do it, but it's really beneficial in the long run, and you should just love who you are, and just, I know this is hard, and this is even, self-love is like a really hard practice, but in the long run it really works, and you should just take it day by day, and just, yeah, love who you are. You're awesome. You are awesome. You can do it. Okay, guys, so I've decided that every Friday and Tuesday I'll be posting a video, so look out on Fridays and Tuesdays for videos like this. If you want to watch more videos like this on my previous videos, there's little boxes over here. They will tell you where to go to click and go and watch those videos. Thanks for watching this video, and I hope these tips help a little bit. I'll be posting another part 2 of this later on of more tips. Yeah, thanks for watching, guys, and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll put in links in the description below of all the things, products that I mentioned, or yeah, so thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great day. Bye.